there, welcome back, or welcome to Cooking with Pouncy. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. If you like what you see, guys, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that, and tell me what you like as well. Pass this on to others as you see fit. This evening we're going to do, we're going to do some blueberry cobbler. I did a peach cobbler one not too long ago. That turned out really nice. Had a nice topping on it. That topping was different if you guys watched that one. If you didn't, please watch that one as well, okay? So, but this one's going to have a different topping on it. This is, of course, the blueberry one. I'm going to be dropping the camera down here in a little bit, excuse me, and letting you guys see how Cooking with Pouncy put this together. Now, you probably got your own, and that's good, too. It's good to have variety, guys. So let's do this blueberry cobbler cooking. We're going to start, guys, with the blueberries. I've got 2 containers, or 2 pounds, if you will, 2 of these containers, 1 pound, of fresh blueberries. I've already washed them, picked through them for any yucky ones or ones with little stems hanging off. I've done that already, my color, I think you can see that. Got a little salt here that's going to be to taste. I've got some vanilla. All of this stuff will be in the ingredient list for you guys, okay? Obviously some flour for my topping. I've got 1 stick of butter. I'm going to be using that entire stick, and 1 egg. And again, that'll be in the ingredient list for you. Just to make sure I don't miss anything. I've got some baking powder as well. I'm going to be using not too much of this. I don't remember how much, but it's going to be an amount, but it'll be in the list as well. I've got some sugar, of course, and that's going to be in my toppings as well as my blueberries here for my cobbler. So we're going to start the process here. Again, I've already washed these blueberries here, right? And so we're going to just start putting this together with my clean, fresh blueberries. And we're going to do that now. And guys, I'm sure you've made your own cobbler. I have 2, and just going to kind of putz around with this one here and see if we can get it together for you. So I'm going to put my sugar in here, and I think I need a tablespoon, 3 tablespoons, I think it is. All right, I'm just going to put 3 tablespoons. Can you see my sugar? I'm going to put, this is 2 tablespoons. I'm going to put 1 and my blueberries, and I'm going to put this one, which is 1, and so that's my 3rd one. That's my 3rd one. I'm going to sprinkle that all over. All right. And I got to put a pinch of salt in here, I think. Yes, a pinch. It's going to be just a pinch, guys, okay? That's enough. All right, I got some orange juice, and I forgot to set it on the counter for you here. All right, guys, here's my 1/3 of a cup of orange juice. Sorry about that. I can't believe I didn't have it on the counter, but I guess I forgot. So I'm just going to pour that on there. How'd you know I got my sugar? I got 2 pounds of blueberries in there. I've got my 3 tablespoons of sugar. And I think that's all I need now for this here, little Kedget. You know, get it all mixed up here and stir it here, as you see. And I'm going to set it aside and just let that hang out until I get the topping mix ready. This is easy, guys. I usually talk too much, and I talk more than the thing is getting ready to get it on the table or in a dish next to some ice cream of your choice, okay? Or not. So that's what we're doing here. I just got that all mixed there. These blueberries look good too, guys, let me tell you. They look good. Okay, we're going to set those aside. And we're going to start doing our, make sure my bowl's big enough here. We're going to start doing our toppings. I'm going to need about 2/3 of a cup of flour. I think this is 2/3 measure. I can take my glasses off so I can see for you guys' sakes. So I just did. Okay, let's do that. We're going to put 2/3 cup of flour. And again, guys, I'm putzing around, but it's going to be an ingredient list. So here's my 2/3 cup of flour. Okay, I'm going to use just a tad again. Just a tad of salt, a little bit. That's enough. And I'm going to use this spoon here for now. I got to put some baking powder in. These are my dry ingredients, of course. All right. Don't make a mess there cooking with Pouncy. I'm going to put 1/4 of a teaspoon of my baking powder. And that's what I measured here. I'm not really a baker, guys. I putz around with it sometimes. Could you tell? But I think it's going to be pretty good. Here's our baking powder. Again, it'll be an ingredient list for you guys. And I'm going to need some more sugar in here. And to this, I'm going to add a half a cup of sugar. Let's do a half a cup on this one. Okay, there's our sugar. And again, all of these are the dry ingredients. And guys, I gotta have my other rubber scraper here, and I'm gonna rinse that one with the blueberries because I don't like that spoon in that glass bowl. You know what I'm talking about, guys. Just in case. So we're gonna use this rubber spatula here to rinse it off. I don't know where the heck my other ones are, and I know I've got at least 2 more. Okay, so I'm going to dry that pretty good here so it won't stick too much in my spatula. So I'm going to get that middle spoon out of there. And we're going to continue to just mix this beginning of this topping here. Okay. I'm going to need another bowl now to do my eggs and my butter, which I'm going to cream together. And all of that's going to come back together in this mixture right here, as you know, and that's going to be my topping. All right. I think that's sufficient. That's self-rising flour, guys, in case you didn't see that on that package. Again, that'll be in the list for you. All right, then that's all I got to do to that. All right, I got it all mixed really well. And it's going to be done with that. I'm going to set that aside. All right. By the way, my oven is at 350 degrees, I think. Yes, it is. It's waiting for me. So I'm going to put my butter in there. I'm going to get ready to cream that with the egg. I'll just do that now, okay? Okay, let's just do that. Okay, we're going to get that together. I found this mixture that I haven't used in 100 years. Let's just go cream this together. On the lowest setting, I hope. I got it all creamed here. Looks pretty good. It's creamy. I got a half a teaspoon of pure vanilla here. And I'm going to finish up this noisy process here with this creaming deal here, guys. So. Kicked that oven up just a moment ago as well to 375 because I want to brown that. So I want to get the topping brown, and I think that 375 will get me there quicker. I'm going to just add now my creamed egg and sugar and here to the flour. I'm going to try to mix it with my hand rather than that hand mixer. And I only say that because you don't want to mix this too much, I don't think. It looks good though, guys. I'm going to be dropping that on the top of these blueberries. All I did now is I put my sweetened blueberries, if you will, in here. And I got this all ready, as you see here. I'm going to scrape this down one more time. Then I'm going to take a spoon, like a kitchen tablespoon, and just kind of drop it all over this process here. And I think that's all we got to do. Okay, so we're done with that, as you can see, all right? It's nice and sticky, that's what I want. So we're going to get our spoons and we're going to just drop it randomly all over. So far so good. In fact, I grabbed 2 spoons. I'll level that out. I don't know why, but let's just level that out. And, you guys can still see that? Yes. All right, let's just do this now, guys. And we're going to start out just putting some right there. Let's just put another one right here. I think I'm going to put this whole thing on here, on this top. So I don't have to be that careful. I don't care if they even touch. I'm going to spread them out just a little bit, I think, too. You think, guys, you guys have made this before? And I told you I've never done it before. And we always learn something, though, don't we, guys, when we do stuff for the first time. Okay, let's just kind of start spreading this out here. A little bit. Maybe I use my spatula, my little rubber deal. Let's just do this. Let's use this one here. Just kind of spread it out a little bit. I'm not being too careful with where it goes. I'm just trying to get it to touch itself, which is what you see I'm doing. Get underneath there. I want the blueberries underneath. I don't want the blueberries browning. That's good. Oh, that's good. That's good, guys. Cooking with Pouncy Blueberry Cobbler, for God's sakes. With vanilla bean ice cream, maybe? I'm just saying. Let's get some of this here. Take down in a little blueberry. Almost done putzing around here, guys. I don't want that topping too thick in any one area, guys. I guess you know that's what it's all about, don't you? So it's that I'd have some not done on a big chunk of it. So I think that's going to be fine. Get some over here. I think that's it, guys. And again, I think it's going to spread out, like you think you know it will too, over the top of this thing. And we'll have a topping, okay? I'll be back shortly, guys, as I'm ready to put this in the oven at 375. That's kind of sort of what it looks like right now. I'm going to take it out of the oven. It's been in for 40 minutes. I checked it at 35 minutes. I wanted it a little browner, so I put it in for another 5, and that was 40. And so here we go. I'm going to drop my oven here down to 350 because I got another video coming up, and it requires 350 temperature. It looks and it smells really, really good, guys. And get the heat out of my face there. Be careful I don't burn myself. And the dish is not sliding too well. I got it. I got everything, guys. You know Pouncy. Cooking with Pouncy's got everything. That looks really good, guys. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. So, let's see how. Yes, you can see that. I don't dare hold it up and tip it, guys, because it's right there. You can see it bubbling. It's nice and brown. It looks flaky as well. Anyway, if you like what you see, guys, please hit that like button. I would really appreciate that if you subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think as well, and pass this on as you see fit.